This is how to use HTTPS report in Google Search Console. From your dashboard, select a property, then on the left-hand menu, go to Experience and click HTTPS. Here you can see which pages uses HTTPS, and you can click this View Examples of HTTPS pages. Then scroll down and you can see here the list of the pages that uses HTTPS. You can click that page. Then you can click Inspect, and your page is served over HTTPS. We'll go back. You can also export these pages by clicking this export. You can choose Sheets, Excel, and CSV, and also share this HTTPS pages. So this is how to use HTTPS report in Google Search Console.